broad daylight, a package vanishes from a porch. A homeowner, frustrated, scrolls through a security app. This could be your street, your front door. The vulnerability is real. But what if there was a solution? Not after the fact, but before. Enter the Neighborhood Watch, a community-powered shield against property crime. Not just a reactive measure, but a proactive step to protect what's yours. These programs aren't just about deterring crime. They're about building connections, strengthening your neighborhood from the inside out. Don't wait to become a victim. Consider the power of a watch program. It's time to ensure your street is safe. Follow for practical tips on starting a neighborhood watch and learn how to transform your community into a fortress of safety and camaraderie.